Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, presses, hydraulic machines, air compressors, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a pretty unique machine. You don't see a lot of these out there. It's a double-headed hydraulic clicker press. This is great for plastics, rubber, foam. You put steel rule dies in here and pop out just about anything you need. A very clean and a very quick cut. This particular unit has two different heads, which allows you to do two different setups. It'll save you in the time of changing your dies out, and also it's going to take some time to get your pieces out once you make your piece, so you could have an operator on each one, or if you wanted to run one operator, you could do that. You can also have the operator load everything up, get all your pieces ready, and bump two heads simultaneously. They're both going to do two separate jobs. They don't really recommend that you run it through one long big bed job. You'd probably want to look for a bigger bed machine. This is a 20-ton machine. It's got 20 ton on each head. You can see the machine behind it has a table in the front. Now, this is a roller style table. It's going to roll in and out, bring your piece in, punch it, bring it back out, and you can do your setup. So depending on the quantity that you're going to be doing on that, that might be a good setup for you. If you're doing something really simple, we carry this little guy over here. This is a brand new one by a company, APMC. Simple swing head, double thumb. You set your stroke and your timing. Very, very easy to use. So depending on what you're going to be punching, we can definitely help you out here. We'll go ahead and fire this guy up. It's got individual motors. Now you're going to set your strokes right here. You turn this wheel. That's going to allow the head to go up and rise more, so you can set where you want it to go depending on your dies and the material you're going to have in there. Now we'll turn this on to the hydraulics. We have the toggle set to single. And what that's going to allow you to do is go ahead and run them single. Make your click, put your pieces in, move it in and out. Do the same thing over here. Move it out, get your pieces, we're set up for the next job. If you want to do double, set it to double, get both hands, and you can see they don't come out evenly. They are at a different stroke, but you can run both at the same time, push it back, and get to your pieces. This is really good also if you got to go for a multi-piece cut. If you can cut one right here, move it over to the next step, and it's just going to save you a lot of time and space. Now, if you're interested in this type of machine or any other, if you have something for sale, let us know. We buy all types of industrial equipment. We can help with financing as well. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.